Hi everyone, welcome back to Skills Exceed. Are your employees entering inconsistent status updates like this? Messy data like this can ruin your reports. Here is a simple fix. Use data validation in Excel to create a drop down list with only allowed values, ensuring entries are always consistent. Let's see how it works. Here we have employees project status overview data, and you can see that in status column, due to non-availability of any data validation, the entries are inconsistent and there is no data validation. To implement this, what we will do, first we will remove the inconsistent data entries. Then we will select the status column because here we want our drop down menu or data validation need to appear. Go to the data tab, select data validation option. From this data validation option, we will give data validation criteria. In our scenario, the data validation criteria will be list because we want a drop down list. We will keep the ignore blank as check-in because we want to allow Excel blank entries. In the source field, we will give our predefined values which we want to allow to our employees to enter only. So in our scenario, we will give it yes, no, in process, not started. You can give values as per your choice and as per your need. Error alert will work when any employee mistakenly enters a value which we don't want to enter in our column. So the style will be warning because we want to give an employee the warning. The title of the warning will be invalid input, and error message will be only allowed values yes, no, in progress, not started. Please choose from. We'll press OK, and now we will check if our data validation or drop down menu is working. Now you can see that the values which we want to give for entry to our users are available here, and there is no other value. So by following this, any user who is working on this sheet, he can ensure the data validation. And now we will check that if you enter the wrong entry, what message we get. I will press enter, and you can see that it is giving the user as warning that only allowed values yes, no, in progress, or not started. By doing this, we can implement the data validation in our data and avoid inconsistent and wrong entries to enter by users. That's it. You just learned how to use data validation in Excel to prevent wrong entries. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video on Skills Exceed. Keep learning, keep growing.